ひねちゃん、ありがとう。
かな申します。すごいなんか賑やかですね、奥。
そうよ。
なんか続々
朝ごはんだみんなで。ありがとうございました。お母さんありがとうございます。
ありがとうございました。
Harumiya です。東北の皆さん頑張りましょう。
はい、ピーラー特製。
We had a great night with Okinawa music and a geisha dancing in full costume. Lots of good food, lots of good feeling. Money was raised for Tohoku.
About a week ago that we decided, myself and the Harumi staff and the owner and the wife of the owner, said, what can we do to help Tohoku? So I said, let's put a charity event together. Took a bit of planning, but we did it. You know, not much. We raised over $650 for the people. But I want to, and I'm going to put this on YouTube just to show people that it doesn't matter how much money you raise, it's just raise it.
I'm especially pleased to note that there were a lot of people here, and I think it's incredible that the Kyoto community is starting to come together to help victims of the Tohoku quake. A lot of people right now, maybe in Japan and abroad, they're thinking that perhaps, well, the worst of the crisis up in Tohoku is past. We have a nuclear power reactor in Fukushima. That is bad. We need to think about that. No. There are at least 18,000 people confirmed dead at the moment. The death toll might reach 30,000. You have about 400 to 500,000 people that we know of that are homeless right now. The money raised here tonight is going to go directly to the victims, directly to their needs.